Okay, so now we're going to convert 61502 in base 8 to base 10, aka decimal notation. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. Since we're dealing with base 8, the position on the very right is 8 to the 0th power, and then 8 to the first power, then 8 to the second power, then 8 to the third power, then 8 to the fourth power. And I'm going to take this number and put them on top of their corresponding positions. So 6, 1, 5, 0, 2. And then what I'm going to do next is multiply 8 to the 0th power times 2. Add that with 8 to the first times 0. Add that with 8 to the second times 5. Add that with 8 to the third power times 1. Plus 8 to the fourth power times 6. And that would equal, if I put this in my calculator, I would get 25,410 in base 10. So 61502 in base 8 is equal to 25410 in base 10. Okay, next one. Convert 20763 in base 8 to decimal notation. So again, same idea. I count how many positions there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. And then on the position at the very most right, I would write 8 to the 0th power, and then 8 to the first power, then 8 to the second power, then 8 to the third power, then 8 to the fourth power. And then I would put the values in their corresponding position. So 2, 0, 7, 6, 3. And then I would multiply 8 to the 0th power times 3. Add that with 8 to the first times 6. Add that with 8 to the second times 7. Add that with 8 to the third times 0. Add that with 8 to the fourth times 2. And if I put that in my calculator, I would get 8,691 in base 10. So 20763 in base 8 is equal to 8691 in base 10.